It's illegal and very much. Hiring a truck accident lawyer in the New York gives you time to get better while advancing in a position that allows you to recover maximum compensation. At Rosenberg, Mink, Felfog, and Woodfelfelby, we have tirelessly represent track injury victims for more than 90 years. Our personal injury lawyers firms have recovered more than 1 billion on settlement and verdict. If you or a loved one have been involved in a dog truck accident, we will fight for you too. Here are some of the ways we can help you. We will look into your truck accident case to find out why it happened and fault damage money and everything. Do everything we can to monetize face insurance companies to your behalf and fight to hold our New York truck accident track to will give and need to so you focus yourself and recover from the fight. We can be contact us to schedule free consultations. I understand how complicated New York City truck accident cases can be. Our truck accident case can be extremely complicated. New York personal injury lawyers and more than HICO. You can read and out easily of the compensations. Yes, easily and to our New York truck accident attorneys are quick to respond after an accident to make sure all evidence and records are preserved. We want trucking companies to turn over black boxes, even data recorders of truck. Likewise, we will also filing or truck accident injury claims or lawyers. The evidence may have been caused by the everything case and types of commercial trucks commonly involved in accidents would be an accident due to the variety of types of commercial trucks. Everything is okay and then all the thank you. Jacking for a tractor trailer accident if a truck driver is operating the vehicle at a speed too fast for road and weathers and everything. Pick up